while since I uploaded. Clearly my shower time, but I don't shower. Oh god, I should not say that. But wait. Oh yeah, it's 2-7 magic. So I don't know what vlog this one is. So I bet it's probably vlog episode 4. But if I get it wrong, then YOLO. Oh god. Right now, you're actually seeing me. You're actually seeing what I'm seeing right now. So this is actually my vision, and even though it has a splash, I actually got a flashlight in my hand, but you can't see it. So yeah.
Real value in car insurance isn't how much you save. It's also the kind of service you get.
So this might be kind of short. And I'm just watching some Teen Titans. Okay, JK, I'm actually not using my flashlight. Oh god, I used the bathroom. Ah,
in the metro area. It's in get tight. Say where the score was impacted. It's really not south side of Richmond at all. It's really no longer the west end. It's just north of Richmond and up toward Mechanicsville. There's a tight inspection back end. This one's went out, dropping down. Down there. Everything over east, Ryan Ward, West Coast, heading up toward Mechanicsville. That's where the heavy stuff is. Flying down the Wyndham area and showing off. And showers. Let's get into
sorry, there's a little piece of silence. I was just in the bathroom.
You see, Star, it's all about adding a new style to what you're trying to say.
So right now, I am probably on my roof.
Don't say what you mean, but
And now,
mean what you say.
you're back to me. It's facing me. I'm actually recording.
on Max 3. Here's where it's headed over the east, 20 miles per hour. So come in here, steadily 720. Very short.
So right now, we're actually outside. And you might be thinking, who the heck is it? It was my little episode of, what is it? Okay, you might not have seen it, but I just saw Heatherbright standing right there. Yeah, I'm going crazy. Who cares? You might have seen him as blue or something. Or it might just be my shirt, because I'm actually wearing it inside out, so I look like I'm Steve. So there's Mr. Care, and you might be thinking, holy crap, Damien, why are you sitting outside? I don't know. Right now, I'm actually pointing what I actually have a camera system. This is the first camera. I'm going to bring you over to the next camera like this. And I do voting like this. But as you see, since I moved, they're not sitting there. So, I'm just moving away from the cam. Actually, my friend was just the camera. And holy crap, it already been 4 minutes. Bye, guys. Sub. If you don't, you're a scrub lord. XXXX noob. XXX. Again. Now I get a third. No. Oh, bye. Actually, I'm gonna do it when it hits 5. Da-na, 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 da-na. Mr. Care. Okay. Bye.